Hey guys, I found a new solution of how to fix your blown speaker on your HTC EVO 4G. What you're going to need is just one little thing, is your sewing needle if you have one, and you can tell here how it sounds. Sounds pretty bad even at low volume. So what you're gonna want to do is turn over your EVO, take out the battery cover, take a look at the speaker. I took off the film cover, the red film cover right here. You're gonna need to take that out so you can get to the speaker, right? And you're gonna get your needle and you're gonna poke the speaker and you're gonna lift it. There's like a film over the speaker. You're gonna lift that, and you're not gonna break it. Trust me, because it's like metal, so you won't be able to break anything. So you lift that up, and you'll be able to tell once you higher your volume to test it. You'll be able to tell if it's fixed or not, and we'll see if it's fixed. And you can tell we pretty much 99% fix it. It still sounds a little bad at 100%, but if you just go, one level down, it'll be fixed. But if it does that, you can try and lifting it up again, a little more this time, and it might fix. But that's pretty much how you fix it. It fixes it pretty nice, and we'll try again to see if I fix it even more. Pretty much. So that's pretty much how you fix it. I mean, you can probably go like 90% volume on it, and it'll sound perfectly fine. And that's a really cool way just to fix your speaker if you really need to and you don't have money. Just get your needle, lift it, and you're good. So thanks for watching.